Hello there, I'm Anthony from Rothenberger and I'm here today to talk to you about the RP50 pressure test pump. Brand new innovation from Rothenberger. It's an update of the RP50 standard with a few added bonuses, the main one being Bluetooth technology so you can document your data. Difference between the two, the old one was up to 60 bar, but due to the Bluetooth sensor this is only up to 30 bar. So I've got a rig here, let's give it a go. We can actually use our Bluetooth Rothenberger app and it will come up with products which is actually paired up with the app. In this case this is the RP50 Digital. You will get the Bluetooth light appear to say it's paired up. So now it's time to pressurise the system using the RP50 Digital. So the valves are in the right place, valve 1 open, valve 2 closed. Then we can move over to the app and I can show you exactly how accurate and how quick it is. If I press start on there, set your pressure. In this case we're only going to go to 2 bar, but as I say you can go up to 30 bar. And then press start recording. Now you'll be able to see how quickly the app responds to the RP50 Digital. So that green line denotes 2 bar, what we asked for. Oh, I went a bit too much there. So what you can do to try and lower it is open the valves slightly, including the dump valve, which is valve 2, to bring it down to roughly where we wanted it. And that is pretty much on the money. Okay, so now you will be shutting both valves on your RP50 Digital, leaving the system for a set amount of time. You can go away, come back, and then if there's been any pressure drops, you'll be able to look for your leak. If there hasn't been any pressure drops, you can then go on to finish. Then that will now go over to the measurements page and all the different ones you've done over the weeks. So when you're happy with your findings, you can then come back onto the app and move along from measurements to report. Now as you can see, the bottom left you have new report. Press that and then pick whichever one you're working on, i.e. if it's a heating system, a water system or a solar pump. Then you can see on this page you have opportunity to put your company logo on, and then you can put your details and the customer's details and all the information you've found whilst on site. At the bottom it will say if you've passed the test or not, and then after you've filled all that in, so let's put a client name in, so let's say John Taylor, let's say Dodd Street in Kettering. Then you can add phone numbers and emails and everything. Okay, and then you would press the PDF button and then you will see here, my details are there, Mr. Taylor's details are there, and then obviously this will be populated with any relevant information to the customer. For more information, the part number for the product is 10000004000. Contact your local Rothenberger dealer or representative and they'll be sure to help you. Thanks for watching.